Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details guaranteed for round 2 production. To get the top result, I show you the detail now. So now you have the decision, separate decision for production. So remember to check the previous video of round 1 to see the overview more in depth, and also check the previous video of round 2 to see how to calculate the sales forecast in the marketing. I can show you again, so you see that we have the Excel file here to calculate the sales forecast and also the production based on the unit we sold from last round here and inventories here. We get this number from here, the production part of the report, right? So we get this number here, right? We are having top sale and top profit, but competitors coming, so we remember to keep increasing the production capacity. So first we input the production here, right? Production schedule here into this calculated by sales forecast here, deduct inventories here. Sales forecast you invest in input in the marketing, and now we get the production schedule. And then remember to increase automation for traditional and low end, add more capacities here, and check the total budget here, right? We have the limited budget here, so we increase automation for traditional and low end. And also for the new product here, remember to buy new capacity for the product so we can increase production capacity next round. And we can see the contribution margin here for each product is very good, right? So that's step by step guide for round 2 production. If you have any questions, send the email to mbahab2002@gmail.com or get the free support for round 2. And remember, I say it again and again many times, do not copy the number. I show you the way, the method, the strategy. You know how to do it, and then you adjust and customize with your game number, because the number may be different from student to student and from game to game. Alright, so any questions, send the email to mbahab2002@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.